sauce on me. I got drip, flood the wrist. It's homage to the whip. Still got juice, bitch I'm lit. See the flex, walking lit. Do that for that check, do that for that check, do that for that check, yeah, do that for that check. She won't face.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey, y'all, welcome back to your girl's channel. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back, y'all. We appreciate you putting like period, sis. Okay, and if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by my small part of the YouTube universe. You could have passed on by, but you chose to stop. Okay, so thank you. And if you do enjoy the content here, I hope I really hope you do decide to hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, baby, hit that thumbs up or that like button. Okay, yes. So I know this is a giveaway announcement video, but you know we can't do it. Okay, so shout out for this video. Okay, shout out for this video goes to KC and Capital. Okay, little baby. Okay, period, is getting her stuff together. So make sure you go ahead and check her out. Like, comment, subscribe to her, little baby. Get all in there. Okay, but now that we through with that, let's get into this giveaway info. Okay, let's get into it, y'all. We the final 9. The final 9. We week 4, the final 9. We week 4, the final 9. I know you've been subscribing to 10 people's channel, but listen, we the final 9. So let me introduce you to the players on the team, cause you know what you're here for. You know what you're here for. You here for March Madness, okay? Week 4 giveaway. So the players on the team, if you don't know, player number 1, Very Budgets, okay? Get into little baby. Very Budgets, player number 1. Player number 2, Francine with Freeport Creations, okay? Baby girl got her business. So does Very Budget too. It's an Etsy collab. Player number 3, when you hear legendary, make sure you put a the in front of it, okay? The Legendary House of Shay is player number 3, okay? Get into it. Baby, are you intentional? Because baby is intentional living is player number 4, okay? It's Miss K, okay? Don't forget it's 3 S or you can get checked, okay? It's Miss K, okay? 3 S's, baby. It's player number 5. Baby did not come to play with y'all, okay? Chris Budgets, player number 6, okay? Whoo! She's coming for the girls and she's getting her coins together. Don't play with her. But if you want to get bucked, we can give you buck because Natalie Jansen is player number 7, okay? Get into her. Little baby is out here doing the damn thing. Y'all know I love little mama. Rochelle Adamson's budget is player number 8. March Madness by Baabbbbyyyyy. And last but not least, your girl, your favorite shenanigans holder, AnekeAnnakay, which is me. Oh my god, thank you guys so much for letting me on the scene. Oh my god. But this is week 4 March Madness budget giveaway, okay? Are you ready? Because baby, it's about to be lit. So now that we've introduced the players, here are the rules for week 4, okay? Baby, publicly subscribe to all of the final 9, okay? Which is everyone that is listed. You also have to like all the giveaway channels. I'm gonna make it real simple for you. There's gonna be a playlist in my description box, in my comments. Baby, go through it and just do it, okay? You'll be good. Now, in order for us to know that you want to participate in week 4 giveaway, you must include 4x4 giveaway and your Instagram name or an email in your comment. So you can leave a comment under all of our channels, okay? But if you do not have 4x4 giveaway along with your IG name and your email, we will not know that you want to participate. So make sure you include those when you are deciding to enter or giveaway. And baby, we synced out our videos, so everybody's video is posted right now. You watching this, everybody is posted. So all you got to do, click the playlist and bam, 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 bam. Everybody is posted right now at 12 p.m. This Giveaway starts today, 22 March, and it ends on 27 March, which is this Saturday at 6 p.m. Guys, I don't know what to tell you if you don't want to enter, okay? If you don't do it by 26 or by 27 March at 6 p.m., I don't know what to tell you. And the winner will be announced on 27 March on It's Miss K. Don't get checked, little baby. It's 3S. It's Miss K's channel. So she will be posting the announcement video for the winner. So make sure you subscribe. Okay, now you must leave a comment under all of our channels, guys. I know, all of our channels. Little baby, copy and paste if you need to. Who did it? I did it, period. I was about to get into all these giveaways. You ain't gonna tell me nothing. So I suggest you do the same. If I wasn't a part of it, I would be in it too. Guys, you have to post under all of our channels in order to be entered, okay? And like I said, there's a playlist, so if you need to copy and paste, boom, 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 and put it all underneath, just do it, okay? Be Nike, just do it. Now, what are the giveaway prizes? Ooh, is you ready or is you ready? Ooh, child. Okay. Ooh, I'm so excited. So winner number 1 will get a copy of Financial Refresh ebook by Budget Treasures. Now, if you don't know, little baby just bought her house, okay? And she is doing the damn thing in the budgeting community. So make sure you enter, because we are giving away a copy of her ebook to the first winner of the giveaway. Winner number 2, we're giving away $25 Etsy gift card. And baby, hold up. So Freeport Creations is also giving away a saving tracker with paycheck budget sheets. Okay, get into it. Blessings on blessings on blessings. We supporting small businesses and we helping you with your budget. Psh. Talk to me. Because baby, if you're not as excited as I am, girl, God, king, queen, what's up? Winner number 3, in order to help you with your budgeting life, getting you it together, you are getting 1 month consulting services from Rochelle Adamson Consulting by one of our faves, Rochelle Adamson to budget. Okay, is you in it or not? Because baby, is you in it or not? I'm just saying. But the consultant to help you get your money right is a vibe, okay? Winner number 4 for week 4 is getting, of course, $100 cash money. Okay, we getting $100 cash money. Okay, cash money. Okay. This ain't $100, but it is what it is. But we're giving away $100 in cash money because we understand, little baby, you can get all the stuff, but we want to help you to get into the budgeting life, right? So those are our 4 giveaway prizes, baby. Make sure you enter, okay? Make sure you enter. This is a total giveaway of $195. But we also wanted to, be very helpful in your journey in budgeting. So yeah, guys, that is it. Like I said, if I wasn't a part of this damn giveaway, I'll be in it. So you subscribed, you liked, you left your comment yet? Because what you waiting on, baby? What you waiting on? But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun making this video, as you guys can tell, and I hope you guys enter. I hope you guys win. Good luck, okay? Make sure you get into all the ladies because they have great content as well. Some of them have Etsy shops, so make sure you support a small business because we support a small business kind of channel, okay? And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck on the giveaway, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.